When Nvidia announced that they created an AI capable of generating random human faces, it certainly got everyone talking. Not only are there economic implications, especially since it has the potential to influence the stock photography market, but some may even consider using it for fake accounts or identities. As the name suggests, Random Face Generator is a tool that transforms the idea into a desktop tool you can easily use from the comfort of your own home. Following a quick and uneventful setup, the app welcomes you with a random generated face. Since it is unlikely that you will use the first photo you get, you can use the right menu to select a few details regarding the random face you want to generate. More precisely, you can specify the preferred gender, set an age interval and hit the Generate button. Once you find a face suitable for your project, you can download via the dedicated button. Similarly to the Nvidia AI, the faces generated are of people who do not actually exist, an idea that was also successfully implemented by this person doesnotexist.com. The application enables you to select a few criteria, whereas the website simply produces a new face every time you refresh the page. According to the developer, the program uses the website along with the Fake Face API when creating new faces. Moreover, it seems that individual images produced have been previously analyzed using the PyPy Gender AI algorithm so that it can provide an image with the desired gender and age. In the eventuality that you need to use photos of people for your website, ads, or a specific project you are working on and want to make sure that you are not crossing any privacy boundaries, then perhaps Random Face Generator may come in handy. See you next video, and now some music.